Look at your book. Okay. It starts. UE sounds like. Go. UE sounds like. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. The argue. Argue. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Argue. Argue. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Good. Ooh. Glue. Glue. Ooh. Glue. Issue. Tissue. Okay. 2 by 2. E and Daisy. Go. R. Go. No. Just the words.
Argue.
Argue. Louder.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
Glue.
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 Glue. Glue.
Tissue.
Tissue.
Okay. Joyce and Linda, go. Argue.
Argue. Barbecue. Barbecue. Ooh. Issue. Tissue.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Read the sentences. Go. The girls argue. The
barbecue is good. Did you find the glue? He opens the glue.
I need a tissue. Okay, very good. The girls argue. The blah blah blah. The girls. Oh, change girls. Okay. The blah 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 argue. Go.
The boys argue.
The boys argue.
The pupils argue.
The
pupils
argue. Mm-hmm.
The teachers argue.
Yes, the teachers argue. Mm-hmm. Go.
Argue.
The king argue. That's very good. Okay, next. The barbecue is good. The blah 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 is good. The ham is good. Daisy?
Strawberry is good.
The strawberry is good. E?
The blueberry. The pear is good.
The pear is good. Mm-hmm.
Fried
Linda?
banana is good.
The fried banana is good. Barbecue. Change.
Barbecue. Can you show the dog is good?
Go, Linda. Huh? The banana is good. The hamburger is good. The pizza is good. The cupcake is good. There are so many. Yes, the chocolate is good. Okay. The ice cream is good. The fruits is good. The vegetables is good. Huh? The
animal is good.
the animal is good.
The milk is good.
The milk is good.
The mango is good.
The mango is good.
The watermelon.
The watermelon is good.